Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw money to your bank. Just to withdraw money on the Neteller application. So the first thing to do is to have your Neteller on your phone. So we need to download it here in the App Store or the Play Store, depends on the version of your phone. So if you have iOS, you will go to the App Store. If you have the Android phone, you will need to go to the Play Store. So you search after that, you search for Neteller, and basically you are just going to find this green icon. And then click on download, and then you will need to open the application. After that, you will need to create and sign up with your email, so you will be able to create an account. And after you add in your personal information, you will need to confirm your email, etc. After that, you will need just to log in to your account. And basically, after you log in to this account, you will find here at the bottom this menu. And as you can see, you can see deposit, transfer, and withdraw. And basically, all you need to do is to click on withdraw, and then you will click on the bank accounts that you have. So basically here you will have your list of bank accounts that you have just linked to the application, and then you are going to choose the bank account, and then you are going to define the amounts that you want to withdraw, and then you are just going to confirm. So after that, you will just receive like the receipt or the summary page of your withdrawal information, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.